Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all well. I am your Jasbir teacher and today I am going to teach you one new sound. Let's learn some words from The letter N and G make sound Okay, here is our first word. It is king. Once again, king. Okay, now let's learn some other word. Ring. Once again, ring. You all like rings, no? Now next is sing. Once again, repeat it. Sing. You all loves to sing, no? Next is wing. Wing. It's swing. Swing. Everybody likes to swing. Next is bang. Once again, bang. Now next word is strong. Strong. You all are strong children. So these are some words from. Now we will sing a song of sound. If you strong and you know it, say If you strong and you know it, say If you strong and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you strong and you know it, say Very nice. Now we will sing this song with music.
If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it, say
I hope you all enjoyed this sound. Okay, practice at home and repeat it. Bye everyone. Have a nice time.